If you're looking for something that can handle breakfast for your entire family, this $50 3-in-1 morning meal station from BLACK+DECKER can do the trick. Not just waffles, it also has changeable plates to make sandwiches and grill food. Hello everyone, I'm Matthew, and in today's episode of the ShouldIT Waffle Maker series, we'll be looking into something that's a little bit special. This is the BLACK+DECKER 3-in-1 morning meal station, and it's arrived in our lab straight from Amazon. And we're going to be unboxing it, see what's inside, and then check out its design, its ease of use, as well as run it through a very short test to see how it actually performs. So right away, what immediately struck me about this waffle maker is how compact it is. It's very lightweight, and the design seems to be a combination of durable plastic as well as brushed stainless steel. So if you have a small kitchen, this appliance shouldn't take much space at all on your countertop. And more importantly, it will allow you to carry it wherever you go. So for example, if you go picnic or you go on a hike and you need something to cook breakfast or meals with, this thing can do the work just fine. And here you can find the indicator lights, one for power and the other one for ready. In the front, there is a lid lock. The plates themselves, as well as all of the other separate plates, are covered in a smooth layer of non-stick. The design as a whole feels cohesive and high quality. Very surprising for something that costs $50. So let's say you want to make waffles. The first thing that we're going to do is remove these plates here. And you can do that by pushing onto the release tabs here, and you can lift the plate right off the machine. Underneath you will find a heating coil, and all you have to do is take the plates that you want to install and align the teeth available here with the slots on the machine, and just push it down until you hear a click. And your breakfast station is now ready to make waffles. We're going to use some freshly made waffle batter to test the performance of this breakfast station. And here is the power plug, which is zip tied shut. The power cord is slightly longer than average for a waffle maker. Now that the power is in, as expected, the power button is now lit. And since there's no temperature control knobs, all we have to do is wait until the waffle plates are nice and hot. And once it does, this other green light, which is the ready light, is going to light up. And that's when we'll begin to pour in our waffle batter. So after about 4 minutes, the ready light is finally lit, and we can now check out the nice and hot waffle plates. The thing that strikes me about this is that it has a very chemical smells when the waffle plates are heating up. This is entirely normal in many waffle makers, but it could be alarming to some people. When everything is nice and ready, shut the lid and click down on the lock. After you pour in the batter, the ready light is going to turn off, and Just wait until it turns on again. That's when your waffles are ready. So after about 5 minutes 30 seconds, the waffle seems to finally be ready because the ready light is now lit. Let's see what we got. Golden and brown throughout most of each waffle, with only a little bit of a brown tone in the middle. Seems nice and crisp. The waffle doesn't stick to the plate at all. At the bottom is the same. The crust is nice and crispy. There are plenty of air bubbles inside. The flavor is perfect actually, and the texture is also really good. So on a scale of 0 to 10, I would put this at somewhere between an 8 to an 8.5. So that's it for the unboxing and quick test video of the BLACK+DECKER 3-in-1 morning meal station WM2000SD. If you like this video, give us a like and subscribe to our channel where in the future you will find a full review of this unit here at ShouldIT's lab. I'm Matthew, thanks for watching ShouldIT and wishing you happy cooking.